I'm Barjo, and this is the Buro and PowerA Sentinel ergonomic gaming chair. Who is Buro? They've been a leading brand of ergonomic chairs and other commercial seating products for over 30 years. And now they've collaborated with gaming brand PowerA to create 3 excellent chairs.
The Buro Sentinel is about standing guard, defending your honor, protecting your team.
And your back. Cutting-edge ergonomics with battle-ready comfort. It's powered by Buro Dynamic Intelligence technology. Lift the paddle at the back left corner of the seat to activate the free-floating Buro Dynamic Intelligence bodyweight functionality. To lock it back into place of one of the 4 available positions, push the paddle down. It is engineered for elite endurance. This chair encourages active posture and fluid movement, giving you the confidence to be battle-ready and a wall of defense. Beat your enemies and fatigue with this ergonomically shaped backrest. It's ergonomical. The lumbar support activates when pressure from your back engages with the seat. The lumbar support will move with you, continuously supporting your back and spine.
Adjust the back height ratchet by placing your hands on the backrest behind you while seated. Slowly lift it up to your preferred height. To lower it back down, lift it to the highest position possible, and then allow it to release.
No stiffness, no strain, just pure freedom. Depth adjustable seat slide. To adjust the seat depth, lift the paddle on the left-hand side of the seat and slide forward or backwards. Release at your desired depth. This breathable mesh at the back will help keep you cool when the action heats up. Mesh. Adjustable seat height. Headrest adjustment. The 5D armrests move like this. So many ways. The nylon base is firm, like the walls of a fortress, and it has integrated kick plates to put your feeties on.
The Buro Sentinel.
Stand guard while sitting down.